We use proverbs when we are in day-to-day conversations. So most of the times we use proverbs when we are giving advice, for instance, to students, or when we are preaching. Ebiseera ebisinga tukozesa engero nga tubuulirira emiti emito oba nga tuli mu kubuulira kigambo kya Katonda. So in the previous video we saw and we introduced proverbs. So proverbs, we said, are engero mu Luganda. Once again, proverbs are engero mu Luganda. Okay, so today we are going to finalize with proverbs. Tugenda kumaliriza engero. Okay, so let's get started. So let's start with this. The early bird catches the worm. Once again, the early bird catches the worm. And this proverb in Luganda is omwangu yatta enswa. Omwangu kiva mu kigambo okwanguwa, to be faster in whatever you are doing. Omwangu yatta enswa. So the early bird catches the worm. This proverb tells us that you should be fast in whichever thing you are doing, in that you are able to meet up with the deadline. So for instance, let me give you an example. For instance, you are told that within 1 week you are required to submit a particular project proposal. So you should do it within that period such that you meet up with the deadline. So the early bird catches the worm. Omwangu yatta enswa. Kino kitegeeza obanga oli mwangu mu kyokola kikwanguyira nnyo mu mirimu gyo. So okubanga tosooba mu ekyo kyokola, okubanga kyokola okikolera mu budde bwakyo, kigenda kuyamba nnyo okumitinga up na biki ebyetaagisa okumaliriza ogwo mulimu. So the early bird catches the worm. So this proverb encourages us to be fast in whichever thing we are doing such that we benefit out of it promptly. Lutuyigiriza okukola emirimu, lutukubiriza okuba abangu mu bye tukola tusobole okuganyulwamu ebyo bye tukola mu budde obutuufu bwabwe. Okay, we have once again, where there is a will, obuli kitegeeza obwagazi. Where there is a will, there is a way. Super. Kino mu Luganda kitegeeza ewali okwagala, waliwo engeri. Once again, where there is a will, there is a way. So what does this proverb encourages us to do? So this proverb encourages us that if you are interested in something, you will always find solution to achieve it. Are we together? For instance, if you are interested in a particular girl, always find a way to approach her such that you tell her how you feel and you can make her your wife. So where there is a will, ewali okwagala, waliwo engeri, there is a way. Tuli fena, so n'olugero lutukubiriza nti kyoyagala olina okiteekamu, ekintu kyoyagala ogenda kufuna engeri ey'okukikolamu okulaba nti kituukirira. So where there is a will in English, there is a way. Ndowooza tuli fena. Okay, don't count your chickens before they hatch. Once again, don't count your chickens before they hatch. Kino kitegeeza tobalanga nkoko zo nga tezinnayalula. Hatching is okwalula. Tobalanga nkoko zo nga tezinnayalula. Okwalula is hatch. So don't count your chickens before they hatch. So this means don't count your success before it comes to pass. In other words, don't go on telling everyone what you are planning to do before you do it. In other words, in the previous video we saw that actions speak louder than words. Ebikolwa byogera nnyo okusinga ebigambo. In other words, luno olugero lutugamba nti olindanga success yo oba erundanga ekintu ekimala okukolebwa oba okutuukirira n'olyoka okibala nti no, it is a success for you. So don't count your chickens before they hatch. Oyinza okupromisinga abantu ekintu ali n'otatuukiriza. So it's better n'otuukiriza okusinga okukirinda nti osuubira nga tekinnaba kukola ki kutuukirira. Tulowooza tuli fenna. Olwo olugero kye lutegeeza mu Luganda n'Oluzungu. We have two wrongs don't make a right. This is very true. Two wrongs don't make a right. And this proverb in Luganda is ebi ebibiri, two wrongs, ebi ebibiri tebikola kituufu. Ebibi ebibiri tebikola kituufu. Kino kitegeeza ki? Two wrongs don't make a right. Let me give you an example. For instance, if you go on Cafe Javas and you've gone for lunch and unfortunately you break a glass and fortunately they don't see you, so you pick up those glass particles, you pack them in your bag and you go away. So you've done 2 wrongs. You've broken the glass, and on top of that, you've went with it. So you are not correcting what you've wronged. Are we together? So 2 actions don't make a right. So in other words, you cause chaos to the restaurant and also to the waitress or waiters. So in other words, if you do make one wrong, try to correct it instead of adding on another wrong action, such that you solve or you make a way forward for it. Mukolanga ekibi gezaako okukigonjola, so si kukola kibi kirala okukibikirira. Kitegeeza nti 2 wrongs don't make a right. Ebi ebibiri tebikola kituufu ate nga ge mazima. So okolanga ensobi ogezaako okugicorrectinga, so si kukola nsobi ndala kugibikirira. Lowooza tuli ffenna. Kanko ekyokulabirako ekyala. Ekyokulabirako kiri nti wogendanga mu hoteeri n'omenya glaasi ne batakulaba, glaasi eyo togipakira bupakizi oba bitundu byayo tobipakira bupakizi n'obitwala ewuwo. Nedda, ebyo biba bibiri. So omenya glass weeyogereko oba olina obusobozi osobola okusasula oba it is a mistake. Bibaawo. Yes, they may get angry naye batuuka ne bakirealizinga era baba bakugula glass ndala. Okay? So si kugenda nayo waka. Nedda. Awo oba okoze ebyo bibiri ate ebyo bibiri tebikola kituufu. Biba bikyamu byonna. Let's proceed. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Once again, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Kino kitegeeza ki mu Luganda? Mu Luganda kitegeeza olugendo oluwanvu lutandika n'ekigere kimu. Ate nga kituufu, olugendo oluwanvu lutandika n'ekigere kimu. So luno olugero lukozesebwa okulaga nti no ekintu kyonna kyonna ky'oluubira okutuukako nga kinene otandika n'ekitono kyakyo. Ekintu ky'oluubira okutuukako nga kinene otandika n'ekitono ky'olinawo. For instance, oyagala kukola business nga nnene ya boutique, tandika n'okutunda engoye mu kafunda mpola mpola. Naye ng'ekirooto kyo kya kugazizza business eyo. So tandika n'ekyo ekitono ky'olinawo, ekyo ekinene we kiriva. So a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. In whichever thing you are willing to do, begin with the little you have such that it can expand into that big company you want to set up. So never fear to start with the little you have, aiming for the big thing that you are interested in. Togaananga kutandika n'ekitono ky'olina ng'olinda ekyo ekinene. Ekinene kijja kusanga mu lugendo. So the great thing will find you along the way as you are working. Okay, those are the 10 common used proverbs in English and Luganda. We've summarized what they mean in English and Luganda. N'ebikira ezituyigiriza mu bulamu bwaffe obwa bulijjo. In other words, proverbs are essential in day-to-day conversations. Engero z'amakulu mu mboozi ze twogerako olwaleero. Okay, let's meet up in the next video. Bye bye. Wherever. And if you're interested in the English language, there is a channel called Benny9531. This is for English students. English students only. Okay, that is it in this video. Let's meet up in the next video. Bye bye. Wherever.